In the last lecture, what we have studied, the definition of environment and what are the factors of environment and what do you mean by pollution and what are the types of pollution and what do you mean by pollutants and what are the effects of air pollution and what are the causes of air pollution. So again, I'm repeating the topic, pollution. So what do you mean by pollution? When the harmful substances are added into the environment, then the environment becomes dirty, and then this kind of phenomena is called pollution. And what do you mean by pollutant? So the substance which pollute the environment are called pollutant. And pollutant can be in the three forms. First is solid form, and next is liquid form, and third is gaseous form. So pollution is also caused by the human activities, also caused by the volcanic eruption, and also caused by the forest fire. And next is, what do you mean by air pollution? So what do you mean by air pollution? The blanket of air surrounding the air is called air pollution. Right? The blanket of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. So what do you mean by atmosphere? The blanket of air surrounding the earth, then this is called atmosphere. And how air gets polluted? As we know, in the air, various gases are present. If harmful gases are added into the air, then the environment pollutes. Then the environment pollutes. And this is called air pollution. So what is the reason of air pollution? And it is caused by the chemicals produced from the factories, and also it is by the power plant, and it is also produced by the vehicles like car, and it also produced by the buses, and it also produced by the domestic cooking and burning of fuels. So these are the reasons of air pollution. And what are the another reason of air pollution? It is polluted by the volcanic eruption, and also it is polluted by the forest fire. So this is the reason of air pollution. And what are the effects of air pollution? So cancer disease may occur, lungs disease may occur, and brain and nerve damage may occur due to the air pollution. And next is, what do you mean by acid rain? When acid is mixed with the rain, then it causes the called the acid rain. And next is, what do you mean by water pollution? So next topic is water pollution. So what are the types of pollution? First is air pollution. Second is water pollution. Third is soil pollution. And fourth is noise pollution. So what do you mean by water pollution? As we know, we throw any garbage into the water, and we throw useless component into the water, and due to this garbage, the water becomes dirty, and this makes the water polluted. So how water polluted? When we throw garbage into the water. Water pollution is caused by the entry of domestic and industrial waste and sewage directly into the water bodies like ponds, lakes, rivers. As we know, water pollution, it is caused by the entry of the domestic and industrial waste. So what do you mean by water pollution? It is caused by the entry of the domestic and industrial waste and sewage directly into the water bodies like ponds, lakes, and rivers. So how water pollution is caused? It is caused by the entry of domestic and industrial waste. जब हम जो घर में जो वेस्ट होता है उसको अगर हम पानी में डाल देते हैं और जो इंडस्ट्री का जो वेस्ट है उसको अगर हम पानी में डाल देते हैं, then this makes the water polluted and sewage directly into the water bodies like ponds, lakes, and river. So what do you mean by sewage? The wastewater sent in the sewers is called sewage. Wastewater and the extra substances that sent in the sewer is called sewage. जो भी गंद और पानी हम सीवर में डालते हैं, that is called sewage. So it goes directly into the water bodies just like the ponds, lakes and rivers. जो हमारे घर का गंदा पानी है वो सारा अगर रिवर्स में और लेक्स में जा रहा है तो इसकी वजह से पानी क्या हो जाता है, पोल्यूट हो जाता है और इसकी वजह से वाटर पोल्यूशन हो जाता है. And washing clothes and utensils and water bodies, bathing animal in ponds and rivers, religious activities involving disposal of puja materials, etc. into the rivers also lead to the pollution of the water sources, and these harmful substances ultimately enter our bodies and make us sick. So as we know, washing clothes and utensils in the water. So when we wash the clothes and when we wash the utensil in the water bodies, bathing animal in the ponds and rivers, and religious activities. So as we know, washing clothes and utensils in the water bodies, when we wash the clothes and when we use the utensil in the water bodies, bathing animals in the ponds and rivers, religious activity involving disposal of puja materials. जब हम कपड़े धोते हैं और जो हम पानी से हम बर्तन को वॉश करते हैं तो वो सारा हम अगर पोन्स और रिवर्स में डाल देते हैं और जो भी हम पूजा करते हैं वो सारा मटेरियल अगर उसमें रिवर्स में जाता है तो it will lead to the pollution of the water sources. So water pollute due to these reasons, and these harmful substances ultimately enter our bodies and make us sick. So if we drink this type of water, then these harmful substances enter into our body, and due to these harmful substances, we make us sick. And the main water pollutants are poisonous chemicals from the factories and pesticides from the agricultural lands. So, but the main water pollutant, these are the poisonous chemicals, and it is produced from the factories, and it also produced from the pesticides from the agricultural lands. So what do you mean by sewage? The garbage and the water that goes into the sewers is called sewage. And how water polluted? Water is polluted if we throw the wastewater into rivers and ponds, and when we do the religious activities, and then we throw the disposal into the rivers and also into the lead of the water sources, then these harmful substances enter into the bodies, then these make us sick. Then they make us sick. So the main water pollutant are the poisonous chemical, and it is produced from the factories and the pesticides. from the agriculture land. And what are the effects of water pollution? Aquatic life, both plant and animal, is adversely affected by these. जो aquatic life है, both plant and animal, is adversely affected when water bodies get polluted. So the life of aquatic life, just like the plant and animal, it is adversely affected when the water bodies get polluted. And due to this water, it makes the water unfit for the drinking. And what are the effects of water pollution? Aquatic life, such as both plant and animal, it is adversely affected when water bodies get polluted. जो हमारी एक्वेटिक लाइफ है, जो प्लांट्स और एनिमल है, वो अफेक्ट होती है जब वाटर बॉडीज जो है पोल्यूट होती हैं. एंड ड्यू टू वाटर पोल्यूशन, it makes the water unfit for the drinking. So these are the effects of water pollution. And next effect of water pollution is fish from the polluted water bodies are unfit for the human consumption. So drink the polluted water, then the various diseases occur, just like the cholera, typhoid, and jaundice. So the various diseases occur like the cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and dysentery. So what are the effects of water pollution? Aquatic life, just like the plants and just like the animal, it is affected when water bodies get polluted. And due to this, it makes the water unfit for the drinking. And the fish from the polluted water bodies, these are the unfit for the human consumption. And drinking polluted water, it can disease just like the cholera, typhoid, jaundice, or dysentery. So these are the effects of water pollution. So aquatic life, just like the both plant and animal, it affected by the water bodies when get polluted, and it makes the water unfit for the drinking. And the drinking water can cause disease just like the cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and dysentery. So what are the effects of water pollution? Aquatic life is affected by the water pollution, and due to water pollution, the water unfit, it makes the water unfit for the drinking. And due to this polluted water, various diseases occur like the typhoid, jaundice, and dysentery. And what are the fourth effects of water pollution? Fish from the polluted water bodies are unfit for the human consumption. So fish, when fish are present in the water, so fish from the polluted water bodies, so these are unfit for the human consumption. तो अगर हमारे पास पानी पोल्यूट होगा तो फिश जो है सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगी. अगर फिश सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगी तो ह्यूमन कंजप्शन के लिए जो फिश है वो उसकी जो क्वांटिटी है it makes a less. So again I am repeating, what are the types of pollution? First is air pollution, next is water pollution, and third is soil pollution, and fourth is noise pollution. And what do you mean by sewage? The wastewater and the excrement that goes into the sewer is called sewage. And what do you mean by disposal? What are the causes of water pollution? When we throw harmful substances into the water, so this makes the water polluted. When we do any religious activity and when we make any puja, so puja materials are thrown into the water and this makes the water polluted. And when we wash the clothes and when we wash the utensils and when we bath the animals, so we throw the wastewater into the ponds and the rivers, and this makes the water polluted. And when these harmful substances enter in our body, then due to these harmful water, our body make us sick. And what are the pollutants? Poisonous chemical, and which chemical is produced by the factories, and chemical is produced by the pesticides. And what are the effects of water pollution? Aquatic life, both plant and animal, it is adversely affected by the when water bodies get polluted. And due to it makes water unfit for the drinking, and fish from the polluted water bodies, it is unfit for the human consumption. And drinking polluted water, it can cause disease just like the typhoid, jaundice, and dysentery. So what are the effects of water pollution? Aquatic life of both plant and animal, it is affected when water gets polluted, and various diseases occur due to drinking of polluted water. And due to this pollution, it makes the water unfit for the drinking, and fish life is also affected by the water pollution. And next is soil pollution. Soil pollution, it is caused by the industrial, human, and agricultural activities such as disposal of the garbage, harmful and non-biodegradable waste, fertilizer and pesticide. It also causes soil erosion. So what do you mean by soil pollution? It is caused by the industrial and human and agricultural activities such as disposal of the garbage or the harmful or non-biodegradable waste, fertilizer and pesticides. Soil pollution किसकी वजह से होता है? It is caused by the industrial, human and agricultural activities. When we throw the garbage into the soil, then it makes the soil polluted. And when harmful or non-harmful substances, just like the fertilizer and pesticides, when we add into the soil, then it also causes the soil pollution. And so what are the reasons of soil pollution? Due to industrial, due to human and agricultural activities, and due to the disposal of the fertilizer and pesticides. So these are the reason of soil pollution. And what are the effects of soil pollution? So soil pollution badly affects the growth of the plants. So the growth of plant is affected by the soil pollution. So it makes a less growth of the plants, and it reduces food productivity of the plants. So as we know, growth of the plant is affected, and due to this, the food productivity of the plant is also affected. Also, harmful chemicals that get absorbed by the edible plants enter our bodies through the food. So due to this, the soil pollution badly affects the growth of plants, and it also reduces the food productivity of the plants, and harmful chemicals that get absorbed by the edible plants through the food. So what do you mean by soil pollution? So soil pollution, it is caused by the industrial and human activities, and by the agricultural waste, and also by the disposal of the garbage, and also by the harmful and non-harmful waste and fertilizer, and it is also produced by the pesticide, and it also causes soil erosion. And what are the effects of soil pollution? It also affects the growth of the plants, and it also reduces the food productivity of plants, and also harmful chemicals that get absorbed by the edible plants enter our body through the food. So these are the effects of soil pollution. So what are the types of pollution? First is air pollution, second is water pollution, and third is soil pollution, and fourth is noise pollution. So again, I'm revising the topic. First is air pollution. So what do you mean by atmosphere? The blanket of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. So the blanket of air surrounding the earth, that it is called atmosphere. So it is essential for the survival of all living organisms. So various plants and animal and human beings are present in the environment. And as we know, in the air, the various gases are present, such as nitrogen and oxygen. When harmful gases are added into the air, so this makes the air polluted. And what are the causes of the air pollution? So when the harmful substances released from factories and the power plants and from the vehicles like car, bus, and the trucks, and from the domestic cooking and the burning of fuel, so the air is polluted. So air is naturally polluted by the volcanic eruption, and it is also naturally polluted by the forest fire. So this air is polluted by the volcanic eruption, and it also produced by the forest fire. And what are the effects of air pollution? And it is called asthma. So some of the pollutants are so harmful that even death may occur due to the air pollution. So these are the reason of the air pollution, and these are in the next. This is the effect of air pollution. So next is acid rain. So what do you mean by acid rain? As we know, various harmful gases are present in the environment, and these harmful gases come from the factories. When rain is added with these harmful gases, this is due to the harmful gases produced by the factories. So next is water pollution. So firstly, we will know what do you mean by sewage? The wastewater and the excrement that sent in the sewers are called sewage. And water pollution, it is caused by the entry of the domestic and industrial waste. And then sewage goes into the water bodies, and then just like the lakes and rivers. And when we wash the clothes and utensils into the water, then just like religious activity, and then when we dispose the puja material into the river, and this makes the water fertile. And when these harmful substances enter our body, and this makes us the sick. And what are the effects of water pollution? Aquatic life, both plant and animal, it is adversely affected when water bodies get polluted. And due to this, it makes the water unfit for the drinking. And due to drinking water, it causes disease, just like the cholera, typhoid, and jaundice are produced due to the pollution of the water. So what are the effects of water pollution? Animal and plant life is disturbed, and it makes the water unfit for the drinking, and various diseases are produced when we drink this type of water. And cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and dysentery are the diseases produced by the drinking polluted water. So, and fish life is also disturbed due to the water pollution. And next is soil pollution. So what are the reasons of soil pollution? What are the effects of soil pollution? Soil pollution, it is caused by the industrial activities and human activities. and agricultural activities, just like the disposal of the garbage and harmful and non-biodegradable waste and fertilizer and pesticide, and it also causes it. So these makes up soil polluted. And next is what are effects of soil pollution? So what are the effects of soil pollution? It badly affects the growth of plants, and it also reduces the food productivity of plants. So these are the effects of soil pollution. एक तो जो प्लांट की ग्रोथ अफेक्ट होती है, अगर प्लांट की ग्रोथ अफेक्ट हो रही है तो फूड जो निकलते हैं प्लांट से वो भी उसकी भी प्रोडक्टिविटी कम हो जाती है. Also harmful chemicals that get absorbed by the edible plants enter our body through food. When harmful chemical substances are added into the soil, then due to this, then these chemicals enter into the food, and when we eat these type of food, then the diseases occur due to this food. जब हम सोइल में हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस डालते हैं, इसकी वजह से वो प्लांट में चला जाता है. अगर हम उस प्लांट से उसको किसी भी फूड को खाते हैं तो फूड में ही हमारा जो केमिकल एंटर करता है, इसकी वजह से हमारी जो बॉडी में डिसीज हो जाती हैं. So these are the effects of soil pollution. So next is noise pollution, and next is waste. So these are the pollution and the types of pollution. So first is air pollution, and second is water pollution, and third is soil pollution. And next is noise pollution, which we'll discuss in the next class. And then next topic is waste. Waste is of two types. So biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste, which we will discuss in the next class. So again, I am revising the topic. First is air pollution, and second is water pollution, and third is soil pollution, and fourth is noise pollution. And what are the effects? So what are the reasons of air pollution? So when the chemicals released from the factories and the smoke is released from the factories, then they enter into the environment. It makes the air acid rain. When the harmful substances are added into the rain, then it makes the acid rain. Next is water pollution. And what do you mean by water pollution? It is due to the entry of domestic and industrial waste. And what are the effects of water pollution? Aquatic life, both plants and animals, it is adversely affected by these. And it makes the water unfit for the drinking. And fish from the polluted water bodies, these are the unfit for the human consumption. And various diseases, just like the typhoid, jaundice, and dysentery, are released by this drinking polluted water. So next is soil pollution. What are the reasons of soil pollution? Human and agricultural activities, and disposal of fertilizer and pesticides. And what are the effects of soil pollution? It affects the growth of the plant, and it also affects the food productivity of plants, and various chemicals are entered into the food, and it creates many diseases. So if you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask. If you have any